Welcome back to the Nick Mo Photos Moto Vlog. Roll the intro. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back. We're actually on our way to go see a Veterano. What went from a fork rebuild turned into a handlebar, pulley, cables, grips, a complete overhaul. Upon pulling off the heat shields, as you see in this picture right here, massive crack. So decided to go with some SNS True Duals. So like I said, we're on our way to Misfit Cycle Shop over in Winter Haven, Florida. And we're currently in a parking lot on 275 headed to I-4. Typical Tampa traffic. However, I saved you all the red lights and the traffic and all of that. And let's go straight to Brad's shop. We're here at Misfit Cycle Shop in Winter Haven, Florida. And as you can see behind me, El Veterano is getting a lot of work done. A lot more work than I anticipated to get done. However, it's all good because now El Veterano is mechanically sound. Let me take you through a real quick tour of all the work we did. So of course, right here, you got the 18-inch factory 47 V club bars. Then here we got the, Burley 18-inch cable kit. As you can see, we did some carb work. I say we, and I mean mostly Brad from Misfit Cycle Shop. Cleaned out the carbs, changed out the needles, adjusted the float, got all that fun stuff squared away. And in the process of taking the bike apart, as you can see, we got some new headers. And this is the reason why. Big old crack in the header pipe. Again, when buying a used bike, you can't see this because the shields are on. However, got that squared away. We got some Vance & Hine dresser dual headers. Beautiful pipes. That's Brad in the distance. What up, Brad? So we're getting it all buttoned up, squared away. We're going to be putting on all the chrome, the nacelle and all that good stuff. While we had it apart, decided to go ahead and polish some of the chrome. Got to throw some pig spit on that motor, make it blackety black. But yeah, so that's what this is. Now I'm going to do a time lapse and you're going to see us putting this nacelle back on. All right, so after struggling for a couple hours working on this thing, we finally got it put together. So here it is. Let me flip that camera over so y'all can check it out. We still got some work to do. We still got to run the throttle. You still got to do some stuff to the carbs, but in the off time, went ahead and polished that chrome, baby. Well, a couple spots I need to finish up there, but she's coming together. Big shout out to Misfit Cycle Shop for hooking a brother up. Oh, that's you, Brad. Let me get a what it do though. Look at that camera though. Okay, he's camera shy. So anyway, that does it for this episode. See y'all next week.